At the 2025 VertICon trade show, held in Dallas from March 10 to 13, over 600 companies and 15,000 industry professionals gathered to explore cutting-edge advancements in vertical aviation. Among the highlights of this prestigious event is the Turkish company Taytra, a subsidiary of Pacific Technology, which has taken center stage by showcasing its innovative unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), including the Alpin and Dumrell models. These advanced aircraft are poised to play a transformative role in logistics, military and civilian aviation sectors. Taytra's unveiling of its unmanned helicopters is significant not only for their technical capabilities but also because they represent a monumental step in Turkey's aerospace industry. The company's Alpin model, which made its debut on August 15, 2023, is the country's first domestically produced unmanned helicopter. With autonomous takeoff and landing capabilities, a service ceiling of 21,000 feet, and an impressive control radius of 200 kilometers, the Alpin is positioned to make waves in both military and civilian applications. One of the key innovations of the Alpin UAV is its remarkable payload capacity of over 200 kilograms, making it ideal for a range of uses from military logistics to humanitarian missions. Additionally, the aircraft boasts a long flight endurance, with an extended fuel tank that supports up to 9 hours of flight time. This makes it suitable for a variety of operations, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and emergency response. Taytra's participation in VertICon 2025 marks a strategic effort to expand the company's reach in the global UAV market. At the event, the company has exhibited its Dumrell model, an electrically powered helicopter weighing just 17 to 18 kilograms, designed specifically for short-range surveillance. The Dumrell is equipped with integrated imaging systems and can be fitted with undermounted weapon systems, which open up its potential for defense and security operations. Despite its small size, it offers a remarkable flight duration of up to 30 minutes, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications, including surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Taytra's efforts to increase its market presence are also evident in its collaboration with international delegations at VertICon. The company is focused on integrating advanced logistics technologies into its UAV systems, with the goal of enhancing the efficiency and capabilities of unmanned aviation platforms. Mohammed Selman Donmez, co-founder of Taytra, emphasized the company's goal to become a leading UAV manufacturer on the global stage, a vision that includes not only military applications but also civilian use, especially in logistics and rescue missions. The Alpin model's versatility is one of its standout features. It supports multiple operational roles, from agricultural monitoring to environmental assessments and meteorological studies. The UAV's autonomous navigation and ability to operate in GNSS-jammed environments make it a highly reliable tool for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance (ISTAR) missions. Additionally, the Alpin is equipped with advanced sensors, including electro-optical and infrared imaging, synthetic aperture radar (SAR), and communication relays. These capabilities allow the UAV to conduct complex missions, including search and rescue operations, artillery targeting and cargo transport to remote areas. Furthermore, the Alpin is equipped with safety features like an Identification Friend or Foe (IFF) system, SATCOM for global communication, radar altimeter and encrypted communications. These systems ensure the UAV's reliability and security in high-risk operations, including disaster relief and military support missions. The UAV's ability to operate autonomously, paired with its extended flight range and capacity to deliver critical supplies, makes it an invaluable tool in both military and humanitarian contexts. As Taytra continues to innovate in the field of unmanned aviation, its work on converting manned helicopters into unmanned platforms stands out. In collaboration with a Belarusian engineering firm, Taytra developed a UAV with a payload capacity of 160 kilograms and an operational range of 800 to 850 kilometers. This platform, designed for applications such as logistics, emergency response, and communications relay, demonstrates the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of UAV technology. Since 2021, Taytra has been focused on increasing domestic production and pursuing mass production of its UAVs, underscoring the company's ambition to become a major player in the international UAV market. The company's work at VertICon 2025 is just one of many steps toward establishing a strong presence on the global stage. With the launch of its advanced UAV models, Taytra is set to redefine the future of unmanned aerial systems for military, logistics, and civilian applications alike. Titra's participation in VertICon 2025 showcases Turkey's growing influence in the UAV market and underscores the country's capabilities in advancing autonomous aviation technologies. With its impressive lineup of unmanned helicopters and a clear focus on logistics, military and humanitarian missions, Titra is setting new standards for what unmanned aerial vehicles can achieve. The company's continued innovation promises to reshape the future of aviation, offering new possibilities for surveillance, rescue operations and logistics support in even the most challenging environments.